Hey, Bulldog, can you till a garden? Shoot. We'll till a garden all day long. Nothing to it. So yeah, this is what I came out to. As soon as I got, so I bid the job on a verbal square footage. Due to distance, it's a bit of a drive. It's all the way through the city. I mean, it's 15 miles, but whatever. I didn't do a site visit. Had I done a site visit, perfect job for a TR3 rake. Hey, is what is. But, you know, we got the other side done. And how does the little lawnmower with the tiller work? Well, shoot. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. So it's a quick job. Just getting started for 2023, second paying job of the year. Lot of overhead. Overhead kills, 9 out of 10 small companies in the third year. I'm in the third year. I need cash. So you take what you can get. Anyways, hope you enjoy the video. It's a quick, garden community for a local church. It's not a whole lot of money, but it's not a whole lot of skill. I mean, the lawnmower makes me look better than probably my operating skills, and I'm not afraid to say that. Boy, just look at that. Boy, that tractor does a nice job. All right, we gotta get to work. Here we go. loaded up. So it wasn't the biggest job. It wasn't the most glamorous job, but got to get some cash flow into the business to pay off all the overhead that accrued during the winter and spring. We had insurance, we had DOT inspections, we had bills. That's all overhead. So kind of taking what we can get right now. Loaded up, gonna head home. Not a crazy job, but over the winter, I got bored. Enjoyed the retirement, so to speak, and watched a lot of YouTubes, and saw a lot coming out about how to strap down loads and stuff like that from YouTubers hauling mini excavators, skid steers, tractor. It doesn't matter, a thing, right? They're going out doing for hire work. It's for commerce. Boy, oh boy, you're giving talking law, so I mean that's legal advice. They don't have any numbers on the door. They're breaking their own rules they're trying to preach, and I can nitpick my load. It's not perfect, and I know the discrepancies thereof. Be careful who you're getting your advice from. Just do your due diligence. Make sure if you're getting legal advice, how to legally strap a load down, how to secure load securement. Saw some doozies over the winter. Doesn't matter. I'm just glad to be back working, and we're gonna start doing some bigger jobs. Hope this is entertaining. If it was, stick around. We're gonna be doing a lot more, for hire work. And thank you for your time. Cheers from the Bulldog.